What's up, everybody? My name is Ashley and welcome to my channel. What's up? How are you? So today we just have a little unboxing video. If you hear some ting 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 in the background, it's just my dog. But yeah, we have a mini unboxing video. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you're not already, follow me on Instagram because I'm pretty cool, you know? All right, so let's just get into the unboxing. So I was sent some items from Influenster and Kvd. So yeah, this is the vegan, I think that's Kvd. Yeah, the Kvd. This is vegan beauty, and this is what the packaging looks like. So I was sent these items to try out for you guys. So yeah, I haven't opened this yet. I literally just got it from the mailbox and came in here and sat down. So let's open it. So when you first open the box, this is what it looks like. Really cute packaging, by the way. Yeah, so Cat Eyes for All, go big or go home. Our #1 award-winning tattoo liner. So yeah, let's jump right into the goodies. So okay, first things first. First thing they're gonna send you is, you know, the little card. And on this card, it tells you all the things you need to know. So yeah, but then let me just show you the items that I got. So I received 3 items. The Go Big or Go Home Volumizing Mascara. Y'all, these are full-size products. And I got it in the color Trooper Black. So let me open it for y'all, so we can see how it looks. This packaging is so cute, y'all. Oh my gosh, you can't see it because the way I have my lighting, but this packaging is literally the cutest. And this is like a really thick mascara bottle compared to like the average. This is like an average size mascara, and this is theirs. It's super thick. Oh my gosh, I love this. And I haven't even tried it, but I know I love it. So we have that. And then we have a tattoo liner, Kvd tattoo liner. The packaging for all of this is really cute. I got all of these in the shade Trooper Black. Oh, I love this tip. And that eyeliner gonna slide on. All right, so we have a tattoo liner. And then we have, I think it's another liner. Yeah. And these are all waterproof eyeliners, liquid eyeliners. And this one is in the color Mad Max Brown. So let's see what this one looks like. And I put them on my hand because I want to compare them. Oh, that Mad Max Brown, pretty brown though. Yeah, so let me show y'all. This bottom is Mad Max Brown, which is pretty. It's like a really dark brown. And the top is just the regular black one, the Trooper Black, as they call it. But yeah, that's everything I received. I just want to come on here and make this quick little video. So yeah, if you want to know more about Influenster and how to receive free products through them, then just comment down below and I'll make a separate video explaining how I receive free products and free full-size products from, you know, some luxury brands. And I don't have 1,000 subscribers or anything like that. If you want to know, leave a comment down below and I'll definitely make that video for you guys. But yeah, this video was short and sweet. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.